part of the PSG team which lost the Club World Cup final on this ground last summer. Alongside the President of the United States, Donald Trump. His first game of the tournament is the last game of the tournament. Martinez, taken down by Gonzalez, snatched away by Porro.
Jadi Diego baru karena internal itu lagi muncul berpose dan maka sekarang aktual ia jadi beberapa ia selalu muncul maka dia tu serius resi lebih maka ohi sensasi baik final itu entre Argentina kontra Spanya jadi maka saya final baik sebuah lebih maka sini kemudian Velos maksa kampion baik kemudian dari luar kemudian daunnya dia tu serius resi lebih maka daunnya saya rasa sensasi udah pemain jauh lebih maka daunnya si kiper transmit di Kota ia salah baca. Tapi ini ada serius memakai sistem baik yang jauh final. Namun itu betul ada kita jauh lebih makan lawan baik tak apa yang betul.
Interesting looking ball, looking to connect with it. We're always behind with by way of support. And this for Rodri. Having Ruiz looked up very Fabel and flicked away at shaped nervously by Martinez for a Spanish corner.
Yeah, defending at times for Argentina has been nervous. It's encouragement there for Spain.
Dia tu dia mau lulus bebas. Daunnya kita si mira bayar yang saya mesti tapi kau nak cinta. Kami so alok sudah sama bayar dia tu siranya dia saw. Ikli dia tu siranya dia hari bayar. Jauh lebih maka lawan dia.
Outswing. He stolen off his toe, but he has it back. Jamal playing that. Just one goal personally over the course of the competition to this date, which is no sort of reflection on his impact broadly to the Spanish team. As mentioned here, Tabasi here, the two teenagers in the 11. Until today, only 3 teenagers had played in the World Cup final ever before. Bergami for Italy in 1982, sandwiched by the greats of yesteryear, Pele back in 58, and the greats of the current generation, Kylian Mbappe in 2018.
Dia kebencian bawang itu, dia enam lagu nanti sama atau saya bayar layar tampaknya dia memiliki pada hak cipta. Kami soal sama bayar dia pusirnya dia sama.
Having a reputation, certainly mastered on that.
Towards Olafama. Chivas insisted on winning it. The quarter's there again. Pereira has a moment. bounce away, which he hasn't had. Porro caught on it.
Dalilatan natin pero malukari na insira kata kini maga asas saya depstrum saya sas nikos yang jadi bola salam futsal. Mazogo Kiko Centro Nacional Argentina contra Espanya ia final Copa Mundial Pilar Rio 2019.
From a distance, stood fairly low, but it's not the best of challenges, is it? Not the best at all.
He's keeping his card to himself for now. Dani Olmo perhaps politely querying that decision. Fente, the run to the card man, quite animated. A foul amongst the many superstars from stage and screen. For Earl Williams, also amongst the VIPs today. Of course, we're now in, Alan, and Lionel Messi's touched the ball once, and that was kickoff.
It was a good one, though. Probably ominous signs. All saying that.
Tagliafico.
There we go.
He can touch it again now. But he does, he gets tipped over. And I should say that it's not a disrespectful observation that of Lionel Messi at all, because as Alan rightly indicates, when he's hiding and uninvolved, sometimes that's when he's at his most dangerous.
It's a great challenge from Bayern, but that leading with the forearm.
Trigger Paul has the free kick. Tigers is a drop. Just too much on it for Gonzalez to reel it in.
Whether he would have been offside anyway, the Spanish defenders thought so.
Something for Yamal to pursue. That's a beautiful first touch. And it's gorgeous. He's worrying Tagliafico.
They've avoided this kind of 1v1. They've got support to Tagliafico, but he's on his own here, the left back, and it's never going to be easy.
Area for Alvarez. Who's been outstanding, of course. Spain have yielded relatively few shots over the course of the tournament, but that is not to say that he hasn't had key moments, made some really important saves, and still beaten just once by Charles de Ketelaere of Belgium. In trouble here. He did very well to dig himself out of it. The ball pointing in. So the official getting involved as well.
Yeah, fourth official rushing onto the pitch, making sure there's no coming together here.
Luis Bucurella. Laporte. Weiner. Released off the field of play by Christian Rivera.
Malu karena internal itu pasti kosa itu apa tadi kami dibocor kata aku itu pada itu ya air lah beda tambah tidak ada pun hajika lo ani mai budi harus saya sampai dia tidak lebih mengenal oleh seperti support apa kesangkuan hai Argentina o Spanya namun habis soal ini ya Saudi dia tidak lebih mengenal oleh apa ya Jogo ya maka kalau dia salam futsal di bulan ini tapi itu bercerita tadi yang mereka kompanya napati dia sound lebih makasih saya usia dia bisa apa ini Jogo lebih halau
Matt Damon, another amongst the cast of stars who had to have a throwaway ticket for the World Cup final in New York, New Jersey. What a sight that is. How much responsibility Lionel Scaloni must feel for that vast Argentine choir. Well, of course, that he hasn't already delivered in spades for them. For Jorge Alvarez. That's good work by McAllister, hit back by Lamal. Exchanging with Olmo. Sandro Martinez stepped in, Messi got a piece of it, the dribble the ball.
Yeah, I think Argentina might feel they've got to be a bit more aggressive to nick the ball off Spain because they're having to do a lot of chasing.
Stewart bounce back into play towards Oyarzabal. The referee saw a flag. Scored by Fernandez. Messi has a little bit of space and the ball for the first time. He looked to be creative with it. Alvarez couldn't gather it and in fact was offside.
So you want to get that unit up the pitch, Argentina, and play more football like that in Spain's half.
Almost kept from it by Lisandro Martinez. Here's Fernandez. Here's the ball.
Malu karena internal itu pasti terjadi post dan kita nanti kami itu bocor katakan dia bisa memang kami asis Jogo ni laos Jogo ni tapi ini ya labar kikuan beri kedua iklimos kemudian di barat ya terdiri magamai konsentrasi itu di pos saya masuk pina kontes kali. Namun itu bocor itu tidak dia juga informasi dari asal kabupaten
Luis. Reyes made a run, Miners looked to find him. Correa has one corner.
Yeah, he's just on the edge of offside, but that didn't go up. What time run? Does it so well, as does Pedro Porro on the other side. They've been a real threat, those two fullbacks for Spain.
And again, Biner here will be the taker this time with right-footed in-swing. Caught amongst the candidates to meet it. In by Biner. That's a problem for Javi Martinez. Sandro Martinez, Tagliafico. Fabro trying to snatch it back. Messi coming away with it. Newton catching him up. And the referee bringing it all back.
It's classic Messi, middle of the park, first touch taking it away from his man. It's always going to be difficult getting offside again unless you foul. Certainly be hoping to see a little bit more of that football.
As we reach the first hydration break, first quarter of the game, it's been a cagey affair, and it remains Spain 0, Argentina 0. Of course, out of the international football, certainly by the time you reach the final of the World Cup, there really are no secrets, but it is as if there is a bit of shadow boxing going on here. It's as if they are exploring each other, they've got waiting for a chip of light, a little opportunity when it can present itself.
Yeah, I mean, Spain is such a difficult side to play against. Argentina would have expected that, but you don't have as much
Oh my God, back in a second.
Bagi gua malu keren naik kenal YouTube lagi di jalur ini zoom ini disini parte descansanya usut parte comissão nabi maka transmiti live streaming di usia ekran nabi maka monta iha ekra bebora di usia salam futsal bebora ni nabi maka si halo prize ba ada tu sira namanya kita buat surat hati kalian kita kurang buat job prize nabi maka fresh si comissão organizadora vai transmitir streaming kita acompanha na parte.
Vai assistir jogo como mundial dia dulu resident Anointed é positivo, não mostra que é fácil no caminho, então ia seguro ele. Mostra o respeito, não mostra o irmão, você vai me mostrar todo, presente murah, Rússia, apa, oke, larang dia, telefone hal, vamos, speaker, Bluetooth, JBL, okay, licença, audio, taruh dalam mana? Nah, mana? Telefone yang be, telefone mana? Licença dobe. Oke, fokus berapa ya? Satu dan sound kalma ya.
Betul. Pamanya pandai kan? Pamanya pandai.
Nama sih mana kan? Nanti background baik kau tu pelan
Robbie Williams fee uninitiated as unfortunate potteries called Port Vale. She loves as much as life itself. Alessandro Martinez, Aiden Alvarez, good lead from Kubasi, back by McAllister, who is penalised for handball. Not much sure about that. This is the touch. Kubasi. Marcelo was really big up. Makes the throw hits.
Those two straight to the halves. Can be awkward at times because Messi drops off. Martinez will drift over to the left. Sometimes the wrong concentration in those circumstances. There's a bit of a lack of concentration perhaps there from the teenager.
Morrow, Rommel. He's at the game to say another trickery for him. He's happy to Tagliafico here.
Del Fuente making the point that he thought Argentina had got away with too many challenges like that.
Rodri. Rossi. Ruiz. Morrow. Kept chasing it down. To Paul, Cucurella is stolen. Then had it stolen back by Enzo Fernandez, who went long with direct. Got big knockout goals from here against Egypt and England on behalf of Scaloni. So right now, Argentina, in a sequence of 14 straight wins.
Oh, what is that? Pedro Porro.
Cucurella tidied up, and Cucurella can march forward. Boina. Rodri, Ruiz. Gonzalez helping out his fullback, and well rolling it towards all not nice score. In all of the 27 games he has started for Spain, he has won every tournament game he has started for Spain. Gonzalez, in from Alvarez again by Kubasi.
Quite often Gonzalez is getting off the pitch, they're using him as a target.
Porro. Morro's in a tight spot here. Porro's helped him out of it to some extent. Now Rodri. Ruiz. Boina. Morro was where he needed to be.
Yeah, having beaten his man. Disappointing cross that from Boina.
That's how they think. Quickly forward by Martinez. Alvarez. Fernandez. McAllister. There, Sandro Martinez again. Fico. McAllister is all over.
A shirt tuck from Rodri.
So me an ear-splitting din. Argentina have another offensive set piece for which Romero has strutted forward. Paul and Messi either side of the dead ball. Messi drag and run away from hit by Ruiz, and enjoyed that. Porro caught by retreating Alvarez.
Jadi maka solusinya untuk kemudian
Rodri. Switched away by Romero. That's perhaps a few anticipated, but flag is up anyway. The expensive off the ground.
Even so, they sit off Argentina. They don't go out of the way to get quickly to the ball. It's very close indeed. It looked on, but technology maybe told us otherwise. But yeah, it's a dangerous game to play in Argentina.
Had to be short. 1 against 2. It's not a decision.
What that injury would do to him, but clawed his way back to the heights of where he was before.
Oh, that's an adventurous ball. Tough by Romero. It's Tagliafico. Hernandez nearly lost it. He did lose it to Daniel Olmo. Cucurella, oh, that's a smart touch as well. That's a sharp retrieval and a very necessary one from the deep of the pole.
Depend on this defensive shape and backing each other up. Argentina, good tackle.
Galassi, Porro, Lamal. Rodri taking on the turn by Biner, laid back by Oyarzabal, sifted on by Olmo, delivered by Cucurella, switched away by Romero, Cucurella again. It's Daniel, out by Martinez, Spain screen handball, Porro in particular. Out by Martinez, Alvarez is the chaser.
And up along the ground to get back. Feels for handball here. Now the arms tucked in from Alvarez.
Apple, Cucurella, straight shot, turn it up a gear, approaching half time. Alex Biner. Threading through.
Finally past the Spain at the moment, got into positions. Haven't been able to pick out that killer ball so far.
Porro, Kubasi. Rodri. The shot was close enough.
A chance there to let fly. The last few minutes, Spain stepping it up, trying to move the ball quicker.
By Gonzalez, reached away by Kubasi. Five goals in the tournament to this point. No Spaniard has ever scored more than 5 in the World Cup finals. It's Bueno and Villa. Aimed up at Pina. Really well read by Montiel. Fernandez to Paul. Messi has been hiding out wide. Romero, McAllister, to Paul, Messi, Alvarez, to Paul, here's Martinez, out comes on the far bar, Martinez left to the foot, and the car is out for the first time.
Ricardo did a brilliant job of keeping hold of that ball under pressure. Really did.
Dia koalisi mahir na international play sebagai John Europos dan maka observasi pada si Hao ia Zardi segera ia salah puncak yang berbuat jauhnya bersama Argentina contra Spanya. Maka dia pisira fokus acompanha ia jauh final. Depois de Hao vai para o segundo que existe tergantung Europos